Barry is a farmer, and he owns 20 acres of land. On the land, he grows lettuce, tomatoes, radishes, and corn. He also raises chickens and rabbits. Barry's wife, Susan, helps with farm chores. 7 days a week, they wake up early, eat breakfast, and then start to work. First, they feed the chickens and rabbits, and then they clean the barn. Next, they gather the eggs the hens have laid. By 10 o'clock, they start working in the fields. They continue working until noon when they eat lunch. After lunch, they go to an outdoor market and sell their vegetables and eggs to the vendors. The price they get for their vegetables and eggs changes every day.